So we need to show that these 3 points A, B and C are collinear in nature. Now in order to show that A, B and C are collinear, we need to show that the area of the triangle formed by the points A, B and C must be equals to 0. That automatically tells us that these 3 points are going to lie on a line. So we're going to use the formula, the area of a triangle, which is given by half times the absolute value of x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2. For this, we're going to consider a triangle A, B, C, such that the coordinates of A are A, B plus C. Coordinates of B are B, C plus A. And coordinates of C are C, A plus B. Now, let's say A corresponds to x1, y1. Then B corresponds to x2, y2. And C corresponds to x3, y3. So we can substitute the value of the corresponding values of x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3 into the given expression. And if it comes to 0, the area of the triangle comes to 0, then we can immediately tell that A, B and C are collinear in nature. Actually, what is happening here? The area is 0 means actually the point A is going to lie on the line joining B and C. That's why the area is going to come to 0. So let's check that out. So here we have half multiplied to the absolute value of x1. So what is x1? That's simply A. So this will be multiplied to y2 minus y3. y2 is C plus A minus y3. So y3 is A plus B. So we have minus A minus B plus x2. So what's x2? So x2 corresponds to B. We have y3 minus y1. So y3 minus y1 means A plus B minus B plus C. So we have A plus B minus C plus x3. So x3 will be C multiplied to y1 minus y2. So that's B plus C. That's the value of y1 minus y2. y2 is C plus A. So we have negative C minus A. Fine. So let's further solve this. So A and negative A, B and negative B, C and negative C, they get cancelled out. And this leaves us with half multiplied to, we have A times C minus B. So that's AC minus AB. Plus, we have B multiplied to A minus C. So that's BA minus BC. And then we have C multiplied to B minus A. That's CB minus CA. Now we'll see that AC and negative CA, negative AB, positive AB, negative BC and positive CB, that's going to cancel out. So we're left with half multiplied to 0. So this is giving us a 0 value. So indeed, the points A, B and C are collinear in nature.